so the next topic we are going to understand. In the previous concepts we understand what is a unidirectional like if, and what is bidirectional if else, and what is multidirectional conditional control structures we understand. So in the bidirectional conditional structure, control structure, there is a different types of questions will be asked. I already shown to you some of the things, some of the question solving. Now directly we are moving for the iterational conditional control structure. So iterational control statements also we can say iteration control statements, control statements. So in the iterational control statements or control structures, we have two types of iterational control structures are there. That is entry control statements or control structures, entry control statements, and exit. Entry control, you can write control statements. Okay, here similarly exit control statements, here also statements. Okay, there are two types. So the iterational control structures are going to be divided into two parts. One is entry control statements and the one is exit control statements. In the entry control statements we have two types of iterational control structures is provided by CLanguage. So that is, one is for loop or for statement you can tell, as well as while loop. There is two things is there. In the interview point of view, so what is the difference between for and while loop? I will tell you later. First we are going to understand this thing and this thing. Next, in the exit conditional control structure, in exit control structure we have do while is come. Okay, now we are going to understand these things. Why it is called as an entry conditional control structure, why it is called as exit conditional control structure. In entry whatever it may be, it is entry control statements or exit conditional control statements. The statements we are going to write in a particular block that will be executed until and unless a particular condition is going to be satisfied. So that may be a for loop or while loop or do while. So these all are block of statements. These all provides block of statements, a block of statements or a bulk of statements which is going to be executed until and unless a particular condition is going to be satisfied. But why it is called as entry control statements? Why we are called it is an entry control statements? Because of, so these two loops or these two for and while statements is going to be check the condition first. If the condition is satisfied, then only it will be go inside and execute the statements. So similarly the statements is going to be executed until and unless the condition is going to be satisfied. So this is about entry. So if the condition is satisfied, then only it will be going into the loop. Otherwise, it will not be going to the loop. And next, come to the do while. In do while, so it is first it is going to be execute the statements. Later, after that, it is going to be check the condition. So that means at first time, in the first time of the execution, it is going to be execute the set of statements. In the next time onwards, it is going to be check the condition. If the condition is satisfied, then once again it come to the do and execute the statements. Okay, I will give you the clarity regarding all the things. First we are going to learn about for loop.